Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Polka Dot Pals Ophelia. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set that I'm sharing with you today. And Ophelia measures approximately 4 inches high by about 2 inches wide at the widest point, which is her little head. And she comes with these extra little stamps, the bunnies, the carrot, the tiered cake. Plus, you can hop over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the whole collection of Polka Dot Pals, and they mix and match perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and start to stamp these out so you can see how they stamp. They stamp perfectly straight out of the package, and this is her coming straight out of the package. You see, she doesn't have the facial features. There is a facial feature stamp included with this, and some of the other stamp sets from the collection have facial features, and they're all different, but you can mix and match these. So here I'm going to stamp out the facial features from her set, but on my sample that I created to share with you today, I'm going to stamp out facial features from a different Polka Dot Pal stamp set. Lots of options with this, and a great way to stretch the use of your stamps. And plus, these are fun to color and create your own scenes with, like I did here. So here I simply stamped her and the cake and then masked them off and stamped that background, and then went ahead and drew a very simple little table, used a couple of fadoodle stamps with this and some banners across the top, and I have this really cute birthday card. So I really do appreciate you joining me for another product reveal. If you need more inspiration, you can check us over on the blog, on Instagram, join us in our Facebook group, Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration. For more details on the Polka Dot Pals collection, you can click the link below and head over to the website and check them out there. Until next time, take care.